it is important to understand the Holy Spirit kasi nga, again, He is part of the Trinity. Siya yung third person of the Trinity. And when we say third person, I don't mean rank. Walang rank sa Trinity. Pantay-pantay sila. Okay? Pare-pareho silang God. Pare-pareho silang Diyos. Meaning, He is God, at dahil siya ay Diyos, malaki ang role niya sa Christian faith. Generally, sa Christian life, sa church, sa ministry, no? Sa ating spiritual growth. So lahat yan ay merong malaking role ang Holy Spirit. So let's dive into our main topic. Okay? Sino nga ba ang Holy Spirit? It tells us that the Holy Spirit is a divine person of the triune God that must be known and worshiped. Siya ay isang divine person na kasama sa Trinity na dapat ding kilalanin at sambahin. Knowing the Holy Spirit is crucial in our Christian life. Hindi ka mabubuhay bilang Kristiyano kung wala ang Holy Spirit. You need to know Him because the Holy Spirit is God Himself. So ang paalala ko lang po sa lahat, do not neglect the Holy Spirit in your life. Do not neglect Him.